I'm dressed as an Easter bunny walking down the street, getting crazy looks from everybody that I meet. Don't they know that underneath I'm really just a dude? Why does everybody have to be so freaking rude?
Hey, why don't you send that up to Suno and use their cover feature to make that a real song?
What do you think I was doing, Einstein?
How did you know my name was Einstein?
I'm dressed as an Easter bunny walking down the street. Getting dressed as an Easter bunny walking down the street. Getting crazy looks from everybody that I meet. Don't they know that underneath I'm really just a dude? Why does everybody have to be so freaking rude?
Welcome back to the channel where we discuss the creative uses of AI, and if you follow AI music at all, you no doubt already know about Suno 5.5's new update that allows you to use your own voice in your production so that you can have vocal consistency across all of your tracks, and you can use your voice, any version of your voice, or a voice that you have somebody's permission to use. There is a verification process. The first thing Suno wants from you is a sample of your singing voice, not your speaking voice. Don't worry if you're not a perfect singer. Suno will do some adjustments for you based on what you feel your skill level is. Let me walk you through the process. So to get started, you will just click on the Create tab and make sure you are in the advanced mode. You can click on Voice right there and now click on Create Voice. There's a few privacy things you need to agree to here, and it just tells you to sing in the style and the language you want. Pick a quiet spot, a good microphone, record at least 10 seconds. I'm going to do more than that. I'm going to go straight to the web page here, and here we go. Here is a song, I hope I don't get it wrong. I'm singing in this style. It's kind of jazzy, it's kind of fun. I don't think so for everyone. I'm going to do it this way, then write a song for something this voice would go along with. That is why I'm doing it this way for this, the day, and we'll stop right there because I'm not making any sense anymore. Okay, so obviously I lost my place, but it doesn't matter. I sang in the same style. Once you click done, you can choose the section of the audio you think is best representative of the voice. I'm going to just go ahead and go with all of it. Click on use voice, and now it needs to verify your voice. Sing a joyful song beneath the shining moonlight. I found that you want to sing it the way that you sang it originally, and that way it knows for sure that that's your voice. If you speak much differently than you sing, it may have some detection problems, so it goes through this verification process. Once it says got it, you are good to go. For the next step, now you're going to say whether or not you feel like you're a beginner, still finding your voice. Maybe I'm not very good, one of those. Intermediate, I can carry a tune. That's the one I use. Advanced, people say, hey, you're a pretty good singer. And then a professional, well, you know, you're a professional. I'm going to go ahead and say intermediate, which I always do. You can add a custom image. You can even have AI generate one. I'm just going to use this one. I'll name the voice Bob's Jazzy Voice. I can add tags, a description if I want. Right now, I'm just going to click on save because that's a very specific style. It's kind of jazzy, upbeat. I don't know. Let's say big band. So let's just create a few lines of lyrics. We'll assign it that voice and then a big band style. So my 4 lines are here as a song. I know it's not too long, but I just want to get the job done. Then after we're through, I'll tell you what we will do. We will have more Bob fun. And I'm just going to say classic big band male vocal and let that go, noting that Bob's jazzy voice is chosen. I'm going to attempt to make this short, very short, 15 seconds with a prompt. So let's listen to an example.
Here is a song. I know it's not too long, but I just want to get the job done.
Job done.
Then after we're through, I'll tell you what we will do. We will have more Bob fun.
But what if we want to add a voice to our stable that's completely different than our normal voice?
For example, what if I wanted a voice like this? I could just record a sample on my phone. Oh, I'm gonna go to the riverside and buy me a guitar. 'Cause with all the talent I got in me, I'm sure to go really far.
Then we just come back into Suno, choose voice again, click on create voice, except this time, once we agree to the privacy stuff, we click on upload audio and then upload that audio clip. And then go through the same training, verification, and naming process. In this case, I just called the voice Gravelly Bob. Give it some lyrics like, I've always wanted to play the guitar sitting on a stool in a smoky bar. Now I see my dreams come true, 'cause here I am singing this for you. 15 seconds, gravel-throated blues with junkyard jazz, poetic grit, and surreal cabaret vibes featuring acoustic blues guitar.
I've always wanted to play guitar, sitting on a stool in a smoky bar. Now I see my dreams come true, 'cause here I am singing this for you.
Or what if I wanted to sing something country and wanted a voice like this? I'm gonna sing as country as I can today, so this will play just like I'm recording it.
Upload the sample, make the model, choose the voice. This case we'll call it Hills. The lyrics, you may think I'm a hillbilly, and I guess that is true. There's a little bit of hillbilly in everything I do, but that's my business and my right, so to you I'll say goodnight.
You may think I'm a hillbilly, and I guess that is true. There's a little bit of hillbilly in everything I do, but that's my business and my right, so to you I'll say goodnight.
So I don't think I need to give you any more examples. You want to go do this yourself and have fun, and I don't blame you. The Suno 5.5 model is amazing, so whatever you send up is going to sound great. If these are the types of AI creative technologies you like to learn about, well, why not subscribe to the channel? Because this is the kind of stuff we do all the time.
I've got a kitten, her name is Ellie. She's got stitches on her belly, 'cause they took a little piece that was giving her grief, and they fixed her right up. And now she's sleeping in the bathroom, and I don't know how I'll make it without playing with her. But I'll figure it out, 'cause that's what life's about.